Disclaimer on. This video is pure for education purpose only. Please do your own research. Hi everyone, come back with us on the POOCOIN research channel. This time we will analyze the Meta NFT token. Is this legit or scam? Check this out. Meta NFT is the first NFT cross-chain marketplace. This token running on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Maximum supply is 100 million tokens. But only 88.9 million tokens are circulating. Currently this token is only available on PancakeSwap with BNB pairing. This token was created on February 14, 2022, 10 days ago. Buy NFT no matter the blockchain. The first NFT cross-chain marketplace. Buy and sell your NFTs in synergy and simultaneously on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. So, they claim this project to be the first NFT marketplace that supports cross-chain. Like the NFT marketplace in general, here you can create, sell, and buying NFTs. This is a comparison of Meta NFT with other NFT marketplaces that don't support cross-chain. If you only have BNB asset, but you want to buy NFT on the Ethereum network, you must swap your BNB coin to Ethereum first to start shopping. This is information about the initial distribution of tokens. 42% supply for pre-sale, 46% for liquidity on PancakeSwap, 10% for exchange listing, and 2% allocation for burning and airdrop events. Transaction fees: 8% for buy, and 14% for selling. The reward system. There are two types of holders who will get rewards. First, for 1,000 biggest holders, and second, for 1,000 oldest holders. Only 2,000 holder will get reward. If you are not those two types, forget this part. The developer of this project is anonymous, maybe they are shy to show their faces. Roadmap. Now it looks like they have finished their to-do list for this month. And for next month's, several to-do lists that will be executed, such as press release, exchange listings, new marketing communications, and research development. This is a new project, of course their project plan is still far away. This is the reward dashboard interface. Rewards will be distributed every 48 hours. Total next reward is $7,792 and will send to the holders in 28 hours and 27 minutes. Just a note, the amount of rewards will continue to grow in every buy and sell transaction, because 5% of the tax is allocated for rewards. This project has been requested to be audited by Certix, but currently it is still under assessment by experts. This may take a few weeks. Alright, this segment is done. Next, the price chart. Since its release, the price of this token has risen to an all-time high of 420%. And today, the price fell deeply to 35%. But for early holders, they still profit more than 200%. Swap analysis. Their contract has been verified, but not yet audited. 3% tax for developer team, check. 9% tax for marketing wallet, check. And 5% tax for rewards, check. The ownership is not renounced, so the developer can change the transaction fee at any time. Swap analysis results. There is no indication of a honeypot for now, but no guarantee for the future. Because the contract is not renounced, developers can change the contents of the smart contract including disable selling, or change transaction fees. Buy tax is normal, 8%. But sell tax is high, 14%. The tax allocation is used for developers and teams, marketing wallets, and rewards for special holders. Only 2,000 holders will get rewards every 48 hours. The holder analysis. Let's start this segment by analyzing the initial distribution of their tokens. 97% of total supply is sent from deployer wallet to this wallet. 1% supply is directly burned in dead wallet. And the other 1% used for airdrop events. Let's check how many holders from the airdrop. There are 2,400 participants in the airdrop event. And each wallet on average gets 90 tokens from airdrop, the equivalent of $3 for the current price. Let's check the distribution of the largest supply. 41.2% of the total supply is used for liquidity on PancakeSwap. But the remaining 56% supply is not clear. Maybe these are participants during the pre-sale. There are a total of 163 transactions here. The average brings a supply of around 300,000 tokens, equivalent to $10,000. And I don't find 10% allocation for exchange listing here. I'm a little suspicious of their distribution method, so be careful. Total holders, 5,200. And 2,400 of them are airdrop participants. This wallet has a very massive supply, 23%. And there is no data in tokenomic about this supply. I believe this is a wallet owned by the developer, because this wallet gets supplies from many wallets. It should be noted, this project does not have a staking program, so there is no reason for other wallets to deposit tokens in this wallet. Supply in large quantities that are not tied to smart contracts is a big potential for rug pull. The top holder only has 2% supply. And 1% supply token has been burned at the beginning. Holder analysis results. There is one wallet that has a very massive supply, 23%. I suspect it is owned by the developer as a result of sending from wallets that have been prepared, maybe 10% of which is for exchange listings. But because it is not tied to a smart contract, it can be sold at any time. If all the supplies are sold, I can't imagine the impact on the market. The last, liquidity analysis. Current market cap, $3,400,000. Liquidity availability, 1,531 BNB. 99.7% liquidity is already locked in Pinklock. Let's check how long. Liquidity is only locked for 1 month, and will expire in 21 days. Liquidity analysis results. Availability of liquidity, it's safe. But 99.7% of locked liquidity will expire in 21 days, that's not good. If the market cap of Meta NFT is equivalent to Ape NFT, then the price of this token has the potential to increase 130 times from its current price. It's equivalent to $4.50 per token. This prediction is based on the amount of market cap and supply token. Alright. My conclusion. There are 1 pros and 2 cons to this project. The pros. If you are interested in the reward holder given in large amount, you have to be 1,000 top holder, then you will receive the reward every 48 hours. And, the cons. My 2 reasons to stay away and not invest in this project. First, this is a new project, and investor confidence is still low. One strategy to build that trust is, lock the liquidity for the long term. But on this project, liquidity is only locked for 1 month, and my opinion, it's just a scam trap. And the second cons is, wallet number 1 has 23% of the total supply. From the behavior of the transaction, I believe it is owned by the developer, and sent from a wallet that has been prepared. Because it is not tied to a smart contract and is like a private wallet in general, all tokens in the wallet can be sold at any time. So, the potential for this project to be scammed is very high. That is my personal analysis of the Meta NFT token. The analysis I use is based on blockchain transaction data. If you have any requests and questions, comment below. See you on next analysis. Bye.